I would like to know what the internet industry is doing and if an internet stock is a good investment.
And I want to know how the stock market did today.
Okay, let me show you Value Line, our database on stocks.
From the Value Line homepage, we will click on Markets. Under the banner, you will see a section called Stock Market Today. This will be the most recent commentary available. Click on Read More. This update will explain what interesting moves the stock market made recently and what you can expect the stock market to do today. On the right side, you'll see other reports from previous days. Going back to the overview, we can scroll down to see the industry reports. This will feature the most recently updated report, but you can view all the reports by clicking on View All Industry Analysis. Scroll down to see all the different industries and select one that you are interested in learning more. Each industry report will explain the fundamentals such as which companies are important to this industry and what factors influence the stock prices. The Market tab also provides an economic calendar. Let's click on that and we will see what important dates are coming up for the stock market that can influence how well the market or individual stocks perform.
That's great. This is what we're actually looking for.